My question is that as a young architect, how can I help prepare in a meaningful way for rebuilding the world?
Being an architect, you should try to design, if you are trying to help the world or the Jamaat. So you can design some low-cost houses, some low-cost buildings of hospitals, with all the provisions available there. And you can design yourself. You have a fertile brain, so you can design. How can you make a place where you can build a hospital with less price, but with all the available facilities? So you should think how you can make it, right? We are building quite a number of clinics and hospitals in Africa, and we have been sending architects and engineers from here, and they have designed very good hospitals and clinics there at a very low cost. If it is given to an ordinary architect or a construction company, that will cost us millions of pounds and dollars. But we build them in only $50,000, $100,000, or some few $100,000. So this is how we should work. How can you help the Jamaat? How can you help the poor countries? How can you help the poor people? Okay?